If your patio's looking like this after winter, green, grimy and slippery, you're not alone. Today we're testing Barrettine's knockout driveway, decking and patio cleaner to see how well it really works. We're going to clean just one section of this patio so we can compare it directly with untouched tiles. This patio hasn't been touched all winter. It's now March, and while the garden is waking up, it's a good time to get everything else looking fresh too. Start by sweeping away any surface dirt, leaves and bugs. Quick tip for applying the cleaner: decant it into a watering can with a rose. That way you'll get a nice even coverage with a lot less splash. Now, I know it's tough, but you are going to have to do a bit of scrubbing. For the keen among us, it's a hands and knees job with a stiff brush. For those who prefer to stay standing, a stiff bristled broom will do pretty much just as well. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes, but make sure the area doesn't dry out while it works its magic. Either give it a light mist of water without diluting it too much, or add another splash of patio cleaner. And by all means keep agitating the surface, it all helps. Now for the satisfying bit: rinsing it down. Always great to see that dirty, grimy water being hosed away. If some areas have dried out a little, grab your broom and give them a brush as you rinse. And this is how it looks 24 hours later. There's a definite difference. The section we treated is gleaming next to the tiles that weren't touched. As a bit of a PS to this video, we thought we'd give it an extra challenge on this driveway. And yes, there is a lot more going on here. The prep and the process are the same as before, and you can see just how much dirt is being stirred up here. One point to note: this block paving is porous, unlike the porcelain tiles on the patio, so keeping the area wet takes a bit more attention. After rinsing off, we can see there's still quite a bit of staining left behind. It's definitely struggled with the lichen marks. So for a seasonal freshen up, this does a good job, but it's no miracle worker. For older, deeper dirt and stains, you'll need something stronger. Anyway, hope that was useful. Thanks for watching, and remember, our experts are on the phone to help on 01303 477 555.